Well, this is the hero TV of the lineup, the Neo QLED TV that's available both in 4K and 8K. There's a bit of new technology with this year's television, including the Neo Quantum processor. So a lot more power behind the screen to power all of those new features. One new feature is shape adaptive lighting. So this is a technology that can examine the objects that are on screen and render them more accurately to increase the picture quality. The onboard processor does all the heavy lifting for these new smart features, including the new depth enhancer. So what it can do, it uses an algorithm to separate the different layers of the image, so separating the foreground from the background to give you a more immersive experience. And when it comes to calibration, there is a new feature called Smart Calibration, which uses your Samsung smartphone to help you get the best color and brightness from the TV when you're setting it up. What we have here is Samsung's MicroLED TV. Now we've heard of the Neo QLED TV. This is entirely different technology. This originated years ago as the wall, so it was a modular system mainly for commercial purposes, but the technology has improved so much. The MicroLEDs have shrunk to such a size that you can now offer these more customer-friendly sizes under 100 inches. And you can see the brightness is far superior to Neo QLED because there is an RGB on every single pixel, and that also accounts for the added brightness when compared to Neo QLED as well. So expect to see the Samsung Micro LEDs in the market in the coming months. This is Samsung's Frame TV. Now this isn't new technology, but what is new about the frame is the size. Samsung's responded to the demand for larger televisions and are now offering the frame at 85 inches. So basically the TV can be your television when you're using it, but when you turn it off, it can be a work of art on your wall. The Cerro TV is another of Samsung's lifestyle TVs, and it responds to the customer who wants to enjoy their social media content and other content they find on the web in their own way. And how do we look at it? We look at it on our phone. So what the Cerro does is actually replicate the position of our phone. So if it's in landscape, the TV is in landscape, you tilt your phone to portrait and it'll tilt to portrait as well. Here is Samsung's other lifestyle TV, the Serif. Now this is a designer TV that stands alone. It comes with its own legs, so really makes a statement in your room if you just don't want a boring rectangle in your home. The big new feature though is the size. Again, responding to that demand for larger screen sizes, the Serif is now available in 65 inches. Well, this year it's not just about video but also sound, and Samsung has some new sound bars in the lineup, starting with the S800B. This is the ultra slim soundbar that's just 3.6 centimeters tall. So it fits discreetly under your television and connects wirelessly as well. Also has a smaller subwoofer, yet still produces a massive sound. But the flagship is the Q990B. This is the soundbar that has Q Symphony, so it can work on its own or in conjunction with the speakers already built into the Samsung TV to offer an amazing audio-visual experience.